Welcome to KaizerChiefsYethuNetwork. My name is Fumani Mtombeni, and I'm with my new director here today, George Makeleni. How are you, Mr. Makeleni? I'm great. I'm joking. It's Mr. Pure Makeleni. It's Pure Makeleni. It's on the ones and twos. Yeah. So today we're here to speak about the striking force here, Kaizer Chiefs. Is it credible enough? Is it strong enough to go with us throughout the entire season? And the so-called rumor that we're hearing about, but we'll get to the rumor. Currently, right now, we have 4 strikers with Kaizer Chiefs, which is Owandile Tuba, who was excellent last season, and this season, just a few hiccups nyana that are going on. Don't know why he was benched. Probably it was injury purposes or fitness purposes. And then number 2 is Igataro, a phenomenal striker who we just signed from Mamelodi Sundowns. Was playing internationally. Then we just got him now. And then number 3 is your Flavio da Silva, which is your Flavio da Silva from a striker from Indonesia. He played pre-season with the team, and pre-season was a little bit sketchy. We were not make sure about that player, but he's proven himself. He's scored a few very vital goals, and they were beautiful strikers' goals, nice tap-ins. Something we would compliment if they were likes of Haaland and Luis Suarez score. And then number 4 is your strikers at number 4, Kaizer. I believe it should be Kaizer. If not him, I believe whoever will strike. I believe he will be a very beautiful striker rather than a winger. So we have those 4 players who I've just mentioned. Technically, they've been representing us well in the position. They've been playing well. So before I would go any further, Mr. Makeleni, what do you think about the drought Yamakhosi now? Siyathola ama-goal, but it's like 1 goal per match, 2 goals after a very long time. What do you think about that?
We are in a dry season. And they are trying so much, but I think in as much as we could blame the players, but I think the players, they do not have that much confidence when it comes to the coach. And the coach lineup yake. And like lento lokubona South Africa go challenge. It goes back because of Sundowns tried. The Pirates is also trying when it comes to them scoring 3 goals. Sundowns 4 goals, 5 goals. Pazama. So manje, I think pressure cool. It comes to Chiefs. What about Nina? So we have that pressure, and more especially coming from the media. Because of the media is not actually it's not on our side, and that is why we are not performing that much. We are not performing very well. Though we are skeptical, but we are getting there. It's just that I am draws and stuff like that. Because of there's too many draws.
There's too many draws because of the striking facility or the striking faculty. The strike force Kaizer Chiefs. I gotta be really Mnandi. They positions themselves well. It's just a target shot. Sometimes when they're in good spaces, our feet were sharp from their fellow teammates.
True.
So my take on everything is that it's just a bad spell at the moment. The strikers can play, and as they play in Ganji, I think
we have good strikers.
We have good strikers. I like Flavio da Silva. Even they did say we are with Banana League, say Indonesia. What team do we know from Indonesia? But the potency of his striking is very beautiful. How he traps the ball. Malize Buye straight. There's one thing I noticed about him. he's not good in through ball.
Yeah.
I'm passing it through ball. That's where he lacks attributes afana nalawo. He can't take a run. Uyabona izinto ezifana nalezo. Ufuna ibhola lize enyaweni zakhe. And then mabampasa ibhola enyaweni. That's when he has beautiful touches, beautiful turns and whatnot. Yeah. When he's in the 18 area, he's very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
That's my opinion about the guy. He's very dangerous. And then when it comes to Igataro, like his striking is very, very unique. If I were to be a coach, that's how I would want my striker to play. Bounce the ball off back to your middle fielders. Igataro, big the ball. And get it when there's pressure for on you. When there's no pressure, I mean, you can hold the ball, make a proper turn, and play the ball. But when there's pressure on you, while protecting the ball, your opponent, and that's exactly what Igataro has. Unomzimba is built for that. You understand? So when they pass him, he's able to trap the ball and big pants and pass it back to his middle fielder so that he can have a proper turn, a tati run, and then earlier on, what did they do? I was a little bit reckless. Nearly caused the red card earlier on in the season, but then I believe because of he's still young, was also cool boy, striking because of the first game. Saseva away, Magakora ikola kelele against the Stellenbosch.
True. There could be the pressure here, maybe I'm sure.
Yeah, but
of the fame and whatsoever.
Yeah, I know, but he will get to it. You grow up. You'll be soon to realize. I think maybe you'll wake up and smell the coffee. Say, serious.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, and then when it comes to Kanyisa Mayo, now you can also strike. Is good on the ball. He can dribble. If maybe Glalwa is striker, he could be the nice person to collect the ball so that we can have a beautiful tap in. And then I believe with Simnandi Lab.
Yeah. So what do you think about the rumor of this Paris player, Tshegofatso Mabasa?
Yeah.
Since his contract is ending, and so we open season in terms of window transfer.
Yeah.
So there's rumors of him. Maybe he might be coming to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, well, I think we should start by introducing that to izwi laMakhosi.
Okay.
Izwi laMakhosi.
Guys, we have a segment, but izwi laMakhosi.
Yes.
And this is one of the voice notes from izwi laMakhosi.
Izwi laMakhosi. Sizweni izwi laMakhosi lithini.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa mnganami, ngiyakuzwa ngisakulalela ngisathi.
Sure, my brother. Yeah, man. Yabona indaba kaTshegofatso Mabasa man. For Chiefs is a no mfana. He won to good Chiefs. Not saying he's a bad player, but Chiefs. Chiefs assassinating and the man don't forget with Chiefs mad as we speak. We've got 3 strikers. And not good but bad on top. So good to see the king of convert my goals. Bad lad. So it won't be easy to see balance in Mabasa. We don't have even 3 strikers, we have 4. Yeah, don't forget now, she's no longer playing like Mabasa, but she's wondering to buy anytime soon.
Yeah, so that is one of our Kaizer Chiefs Yethu followers. We have a new segment on our show called izwi laMakhosi. Izwi laMakhosi.
Yeah, the voice.
The voice of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
The voice of Amakhosi. So now, he did say, he also mentioned the 4 strikers that we have for Kaizer Chiefs, and he also thinks that it's not a good decision to sign up because of our own internal problems. Well, I would love to agree now if you needed my opinion when it comes to Tshegofatso Mabasa. Tshegofatso Mabasa plays for Orlando Pirates, and I feel like he uleka a consistency, you understand? Never mind the fact that we have an archive yama Orlando Pirates players who come to Kaizer Chiefs and play for Kaizer Chiefs and shine.
But I think personal for me, he's better than Umakhopa.
He's better than Umakhopa.
For me.
Yeah, but
it's just that good too. Maybe we have the expectations that Umakhopa, but Tshegofatso, he delivers when it comes to dating.
So Umakhopa, we must understand one thing. We will speak about Umakhopa. Right now we just focused on Mabasa. I would love to bet to differ.
Okay.
Yeah, but Tshegofatso, like I said, we have the archive of my Kaizer Chiefs players. We have your likes of Captain Jimmy Dow, who came from Orlando Pirates and became a legend at our team. Currently, right now, we have Paseka Mako, Umunyane, Umunyane.
And you have seen with the good players.
They are good players. They deliver good performances. We even barely concede a goal.
Should they bring Mabasa? I think now would be a good striker.
So you think you'd be a good striker? I beg to differ because of consistency. He used by Zisayo. He has beautiful touches in the 18 area and whatnot. So I believe that if you would go back to teams like Kukune or Steven Bosch or we are struggling, I muse they should use him as an opportunity.
No,
chance no. He needs to play. If you are being benched for Abumbutuma and whatnot, he needs to play. We need to see what's up. But I feel like Kaizer Chiefs should just let it slide because we already have our own internal strikers that we are working on. They are very good. They just badly go repair. They're not struggling.
Maybe Mabasa could help and revive the team.
We already have enough on our plate. That's what I can say. Now, I agree with the fellow pundit Yethu. Izwi laMakhosi. I agree with you. You understand? That's all I can say about the rumor that's been circulating. I hope our team doesn't consider buying the player. If they do, then it's something we will have to deal with. And then we have to but a positive thing that will happen, Lapo, it's finally we'll have a South African based striker, either than Umayo, the South African based striker who could at least stand a chance to go to the American World Cup. For a squad. If maybe, I think maybe he would get a chance in Jalo. If he starts scoring goals, I overtake him a top goal scorer corner that's the positive side of things. But in regards to him, my personal opinion, I feel like he should get another team. Probably about Team Sugazi. He'll be great there. They need a striker. Devon C. No, not Devon City. No. Team Sugazi, your Skukune Futi, your Stellen Bosch. Those are the top 3 teams I would suggest for him. He would be very dangerous. City, don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. If you also want to be part of izwi Yethu, drop a comment, Drop a comment on our channel, and then we will see if we'll leave you a helpline number where we can have your voice notes be sent there. Laso Kuluma Nanikona about this, whatever opinion or whatever topic that we have. So don't forget to like and subscribe. This is KaizerChiefsYethuNetwork. We are Kosi for life. Danko.